Have you ever started your day with a treat? Something sweet that seems to set off the whole day of eating wrong? Cravings are a force to be reckoned with, especially because it's normal for resolve and self-discipline to go down throughout the day. You spend your patience and resolve on any number of situations throughout the day, so as the day goes on, it becomes more challenging to stand your ground when it comes to health goals. But cravings don't have to control you, and there are ways to make it easier and more sustainable than relying on sheer willpower. You may be tired of hearing it, and I know it gets repetitive, but the place to start is always a foundation of proper nutrition. Cravings can be your body's way of telling you it needs something. It isn't always the case, but it certainly can be. And a great way to reduce those kinds of cravings is to ensure you're getting the nutrients you need. We all have nutritional gaps. Sadly, modern Western diets leave even the healthiest of us with nutrient deficiencies that we used to get from food. We need supplements to ensure we're filling all our nutritional gaps. The doTERRA Lifelong Vitality Pack is absolutely perfect for filling those gaps and providing natural support. From there, the MetaPWR Metabolic Blend can help too. Get ahead by adding a drop or two of MetaPWR Metabolic Blend to your water to drink throughout the day. You can also take MetaPWR Soft Gels to help you meet your health goals.